will my collections fall off? What date will my collections fall off? Well, let me show you. Now you see here I have a 702 and I just logged into my Experian. Hi Felix. Now check it out. I got 70,000 in debt, credit usage of 19%. Now, if I click on what changed, it's going to open up this side window here. And now we're going to compare reports between April 12th and May 11th. And if we go down here, the number of collections on your report decreased by 2. Yeah, that could help. On your previous report, you had 2 collections. Now you have 0 collections. This usually means that your collection account has aged off of your report, or it was removed as the result of a dispute. Now, bad stuff on credit reports usually get taken off 7 years. Good stuff actually do get taken off as well between 7 and 10 years. So now let's go over to my EQUIFAX and see what we can see. Okay, so here is my EQUIFAX. Now if we go down to credit report, and then if we go to collections, you're about to see a lie. It's going to say that I have 1 collection, but I actually have 4 collections, 4, not 1. So where are the other 3 collections hidden? They are hidden under the other accounts section. So if we go to other accounts, it'll say open accounts. You don't have open accounts. Now click on view closed accounts. Here you'll see some closed accounts and the age of account, that time since they've been reporting it to EQUIFAX, has been 5 years and 1 month. So I have 1, 2, 3. However, when will these collections fall off? Now, if I go to Dispute Center right here, and I go to File a Dispute, click on File a Dispute, see here, yes, continue. I will actually be able to tell you the exact date that these collections will fall off. So let's see, personal information, credit, accounts, negative information. So you click negative information, and once again, they will be a little deceitful of where they're hiding the negative information. You see here it says I have 1 collection, that's false. Then it also says I have 3 accounts that are going to negatively impact my credit score. So I want to click here. Open accounts 0. You currently do not have this type of account. Oh, well, yes, I do. So then I go to closed accounts, and now there they are, Portfolio Recovery Associates. Now, notice that they all were reported at about the same time 5 years ago, 1 month, and 21 days ago. Now check this out. I'm going to actually go into View Account Details. And then I'm going to go over to Last Reported. Then I'll go to the bottom, and now we're going to find out when my collections are going to fall off. And you can do the same thing. Check it out. Date of first delinquency 7/01/2015. Date of major delinquency reported 7/01/2015. Add 7 years. Today is May 11th, 2022. My collections will fall off in just under 2 months. That's right, collections will fall off under 2 months. Love you guys.